This is a review for the Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. We've had this for a couple of years and it's done absolutely great for our pool. And one of our favorite things about it is that it also comes with this caddy, which allows you to easily transport it around the pool anywhere you need it to go. And additionally, the control panel sits there nicely on top of the caddy, which just makes it really easy to access the buttons to turn it on and off or adjust the various settings. It's got a 50-foot cable, which allows it to move freely around your pool. Like I said, you wouldn't want to use it for a pool that's more than 40 feet. Here you'll see me dropping it into the water, and it's not super heavy, pretty easy to handle, and you just kind of wait for it to fully sink. And then you hit the start button on the control panel and it knows exactly what to do. Here you can see it climbing down the wall of our pool, and it does have really great technology built in. It can go up and down the walls and all across the bottom, so it will definitely vacuum up the entire pool, but you can kind of see that clean line behind the vacuum as it is sucking up that dirt. It looks so much cleaner in the path of the vacuum than it does around it. So you can see it does have very powerful suction. One reason we chose this one over other pool cleaners is that this one has a very large intake area, so it can basically collect a larger amount of debris, so you don't have to dump out the tank quite as often. Also love this roller design. It is able to pick up a lot of the little sticks, leaves, pecan shells, things that get in the bottom of our pool. It has no problem picking those things up. And then I love that it's clear here on top of the canister, so you can easily see when it is time to dump it out. Here you can see how large the debris collection tank is. It's a really good size. So to open it up and dump it out, you simply just press in the little latches on the side and the lid pops right off. Overall, I just really love this product because it's been very reliable for us. I think it has great suction power. It cleans the pool very effectively. I love that it came with a caddy for transporting it around, and I love how big the debris canister is and that I don't have to touch the debris whenever I'm emptying it out. So if you're in the market for a robotic pool cleaner that you know is going to last for years and do a great job, I highly recommend this one from Polaris.